why Renishaw has participated in this particular exhibition, ENGIMACH. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
It's pleasure to talk with you.
So, tell me how important is the ENGIMACH for you and particularly this Gujarat market?
So basically, for Renishaw, this is our 10th NGMAC exhibition. This exhibition is located in Gandhinagar, which is mainly a center of Gujarat. So, and the facility is very good. So, customer across the Gujarat can access this exhibition easily. So, footfall is very high, and we are able to meet many customers over here. So, we are participating in this exhibition regularly.
Fantastic. I think I can see a lot of crowd swelling here because it is a kind of central location and people from Rajkot, Vadodara and Morbi, all over the place are coming here,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
So
Very
we are
true.
getting it is a very, very busy show for you.
Yeah, very busy show, and first 2 day was very good, and today also we are having good crowd. There were very potential customers coming here, and we are having good conversation with the customers. So far we are feeling very excited with this show.
Getting a great
Yeah,
response
yeah,
here. So tell me how important is Gujarat market for you because we all know Gujarat is becoming a very big manufacturing hub,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
So and there are different kind of very diverse kind of industries here,
yeah.
right? So can you please explain what kind of industries you
Yeah.
are targeting here?
So basically, we Renishaw is having office in Gujarat since last 2008, and this market since beginning for Renishaw is very potential and very strategic market. Gujarat is blessed with a different kind of investment, like we have automotive investment, we have die and mold investment. There are so many packaging machines manufacturers are there. There are pharmaceutical industries is there. There are CNC machine tool manufacturers are there. There are so many SPM machines manufacturers are there. So that's why this market is very strategic for us, and we have a solution for all these different kind of industry, and catering those industries blessed for us.
Definitely, and I think that's why you have also displayed various solutions here
Yeah,
for various
yeah,
applications.
yeah.
So let us have a look at other applications and your solution as well.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.